Hey everybody, it's Hans from H&H Fresh Fish down here at the harbor in Santa Cruz. Today I'm going to be showing you some tips on how to pick out the freshest, most sustainable fish possible. So when I come into a fish market, the main things I look for is, of course, cleanliness. I want to see really nice, beautiful, bright colors. All the red should be red. The bloodline of the fish, where that's red, should look more like blood, nice and pink and pretty, and not kind of a brownish off color. That's starting to show that it's starting to get older. We have a piece that just came off the boat, literally hours old. This piece we've let age for a little bit to give you guys a good, clear example. One of the main things we're looking for is this redness through the fish right here. It should be blood red, pink, and pretty. You can see here it's starting to get a little bit brown, starting to age a little bit. And the other thing is translucency. When you have this really pretty translucent color, and then you get this little more of a dull color right here, doesn't necessarily mean it's bad, but it's not as fresh. The other way that really is one of the main ways is the nose. And that's simply, if you can, and it allows you to, whether you're at a good fish market or at any stand or even from the fishermen, put your nose up to it. You smell it. If it smells a little bit fishy, it's generally a little bit older. When you get a really nice fresh piece of fish, you're not gonna have any real stinky odor. It just pretty much smells like the ocean, real nice, clean smell. So the other thing with seafood that everybody's concerned with these days, which is rightfully so, is sustainability. Sustainability can be kind of a scary subject, but it really doesn't have to be. A little bit of research and you can figure out the best choices for yourself. There's things like the Monterey Bay Seafood Watch Guide. You can actually go to H&H's website. We got some good catch methods on there. If you're buying fish from the United States, it's a sustainable product. We're under the most stringent laws of anywhere in the world. And so if you're buying a piece of fish that's caught in America, you're buying a sustainable piece of fish. And even more so, if you're buying a piece of fish that's caught on the West Coast or here in California, you're getting a sustainable fish.